is I'll explain. Say, just once again, just you see, I'll open Notepad. Just right click, run as administrator. If you open with run as administrator, that program anywhere you can save. That's what it is better with access administrator privileges. Now I open Notepad. Here I'll write the program. So class demo that is yesterday given. Public static void main string aux. Okay. System.out.println. This is this complete program you cannot understand today. Later you will understand. Okay. Now no need to concentrate on program today. Just downloading, installation, compiling, execution, path setting. That is you concentrate. Okay. Because in this program you will get so many doubts. What is class? Why do we need a class? What is main method? Why public? If I write other, what will happen? If I write static, why static? These are so many doubts. These all you'll understand in further sessions. Okay. File, save. Now where you want to save the location. Suppose this PC, C drive or D drive, wherever you want you can save. Now C drive. Here all files, because by default text file it will take. Here by default text files it will take all files. You can write file name demo.java. Save. Save. Already exists. I want to replace. Yes, I replace it. After this, just command prompt. This command prompt, right click, run as administrator. Click on S. Here you'll get it like this. After getting this one, cd/, it comes here. Java C demo.java. This is compilation. Java execution. Welcome to Java. Now for compilation we required Java C. For execution we required Java. Java C and Java are called JDK tools. All JDK tools are the part of bin folder in JDK. JDK nothing but Java development kit. It is called Java software. Okay. First of all, you have to download JDK. For that, first open Google. See, in a Google, you can find out latest version of JDK also. See, for example, JDK version history. If you type JDK version history, if you type JDK version history, if you type, first site only Wikipedia site appears. Java version history. If you click on this, from the beginning, you observe JDK beta version, JDK 1.0, JDK 1.1. See, 1995 Java came. 1995. So versions. See, latest version 17. 18 version March 2022. That means this month only it is going to come. Okay. This month only 18 is going to come. But present is 17 only. Here you observe. Here colors. Pink color old version. Yellow color old version still maintained. Green color latest version. Blue color future release. Okay. Now Java SC 18, Java SC 19, 20, 21. These 4 versions future release. So 18th version this month only coming. This month only. Exact date not given, but in this month only it comes. Okay. March 2022. Java 19, September 2022. See, 20, March 2023. And Java 21, September 2023. You observe every March, September it is coming, you observe. Okay, every 6 months it is coming. Every 6 months new version of Java coming. So now present you have to download Java SC 17. And that too you observe pink color old version. Yellow color old version still maintained. That means now if you want to download Java software, you can download only yellow color, green color. Remaining not possible. So Java SC 8 we can download, 11 we can download, 17 we can download. Pink color versions removed. Now even you cannot download Java software that version. Okay. See, observe wherever LTS is there, you observe, that is only is there. LTS means long time support. LTS, long time support. Long time support software only you can download. So it is now latest one also long time support only. This 17. Later 18 comes, 19 comes, 20 comes. When 21 comes, no, these three becomes pink color. You cannot download like that. So after 17, 21 is long time support. So now 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, we cannot download also. You already downloaded means that is okay. But present, if you want to download, it is not possible. The links also removed. The links also removed by Java Oracle Corporation Company. Okay. Sun Microsystem company now owned by Oracle. So Oracle Corporation Company. So these all pink color is there, no, we cannot download. It is not possible to download. It is not possible to download. Pink color. Pink color version not possible to download. 8 you can download, 11 you can download, 17 you can download. 3 options. Now, if you have a Windows 10, if you have a 64-bit operating system, you can go for 17. But if it is 32-bit operating system, it is not possible to download. So nowadays, 32-bit supported operating system softwares are stopped. That's what. Still your laptop or desktop, if still 32-bit is there, just you upgrade. But still if you want to continue that software only means you can download 8. But 11 also not possible, 17 also not possible. Your operating system is 32-bit. But whether 32-bit or 64-bit, how to find out? In a file explorer, this PC, right click, properties. Here it shows, see, system type, 64-bit operating system, system type. If your operating system is 64-bit, latest version you can download. Your operating system is 32-bit, you cannot download latest version, not possible. Okay. Now system type, how to check is just file explorer, this PC, right click, properties. Okay, here you'll get it, 64-bit system type. Okay. Now here this is Java latest version 17. Java latest version is 17. This 17, how to download, how to use. Now this just have shown versions. So 1995 Java came. 1995 Java first version, beta version. Like after that 1.0, after that 1.1, 1.2, like this, up 1.4 came. Later 5, 6, 7, 8, like that changed. Like that 17. Present version 17. Okay. Now, if you want to download, what you can do is in Google, just JDK download. You can type JDK download. Enter. First link only, Java downloads. It is oracle.com. Because Java developed by Sun Microsystems company. That company purchased by Oracle Corporation. That company hand over to this company. Now that company is not there. That company owned by this company. Okay. That's what Oracle site. Now here if you click Java downloads, here, see, just if you scroll down, here Java 17 available now. In the 17 also 17.0.2 is there. You observe. That means if little bit changes are there, this number changed. More changes are there, this number changed. Many changes are there, this number changed. Like that. So 17.0.2. 17.0.2. So little bit changed. 17.0.1 came, 17.0.2 came. Now 17.0.2 is there. Okay. Here Linux, Mac OS, Windows. You have to select the operating system. Your operating system, whatever is there. Now present Solaris and other operating systems, they stopped. Old version available. Other operating systems, Solaris also, some other operating systems also available. Present this version is available only for 3 operating systems: Linux, Mac OS, Windows. Suppose our operating system Windows. Select. In the Windows also See, these all 64-bit only. 32-bit not available. So 32-bit not available. So you have to go for 64-bit operating system, this one. 32-bit if it is there, old version you have to download. Okay, old version. Now in these three, now x64 installer, better to go for this one, middle one. x64 installer. You click this, it is going to be downloaded. But if you click this one, this is zip file. This is zip file. Again, you have to extract, you have to do something. So that's it, that directly you can download this one. Okay. Now, if you click the second one, it is going to be downloaded. After downloading, on downloaded file, the downloaded file will be in downloads folder. Download file will be in download folder. Downloads folder, on that file, just double click. After that, next button, last finish button. That much easy to install Java software. Anybody can download, anybody can install. Okay. Still, if you are facing any problem, you can mail to my mail ID. I'll give a reply. Okay. Now, this is just you have to click. It is going to be downloaded. After downloading, just a double click on downloaded file and click on next, continue. Last finish. That's it. It is very easy to install. It is very easy to download. Okay. Now, latest version, path setting also not required. It works. But I'll teach path setting. Anyhow, further future required. Okay. After downloading, path automatically settled. Latest version, 17 version. Okay. No need to set the path also. It works. Now, in my system, already downloaded, already installed. Okay. Already installed, already downloaded. And now, here, this is compilation, this is execution. It is working. Okay. If it is not downloaded, not installed, while writing Java C only, one error comes. Java C is not recognized. Error comes. Suppose downloaded, installed, still you are getting error. That meaning is path setting. Because Java C not available here. Java C available in bin folder. Bin folder available in JDK folder. JDK folder available in Java folder. Java folder available in program files folder. Program files available in C drive. But if you write like this, what system will do is, operating system, it will search for Java C in this location only. So it will search, operating system will search for Java C in this location. In this location, Java C not there. That's what error comes. But where it is? In bin folder. But C drive to bin folder, the path you need to set. If you set, then it will search in bin folder. If you don't set, it will search in C drive. That is the problem. Okay. So Java C purpose, we have to set the path. Otherwise, it will search here only. It is not available here. That is the reason error comes. The path setting, two types of path setting. Temporary path, permanent path. Both you have to learn because further required. Present, by default, it is path is settled. Now, both path settings I'll show you. Note down. Temporary path setting. Note down. Temporary path setting. Now, first of all, temporary path setting. After that, permanent path setting also I'll show you. Temporary path setting. Write it. First, open the command prompt. Open the command prompt. How to open command prompt? Just you can type here CMD. You'll get this one. After that, right click, run as administrator. So write that one also otherwise. To open command prompt, type CMD in search bar. So here in search bar, here you have to type CMD. Okay. After this, right click, Right click on command prompt app. Right click on command prompt app and click on run as administrator. So if you know these all, no need to write, because new to programming language students will be there. Without C also, some students are non-IT students, and without C language, those who came to Java, for those people. Okay. Now open the command prompt. To open command prompt, type CMD in search bar. Type CMD in search bar. Right click on command prompt app and click on run as administrator. Okay. This is you follow. Say first you have to open the command prompt. How to open command prompt only given here. Okay. Just in a search bar, CMD if you type. This is command prompt. Right click, run as administrator. Okay. If you click, then click on S button. You'll get it this one. Okay. So next, click on S button. Third step, type CD slash. Type CD slash. So after opening command prompt, just click on S button, type CD slash. If you type CD slash, it comes to root. It comes to root. See, here already command prompt window opened. Okay, command prompt window opened. Here you can move to cursor here. So CD slash, if you write, it comes here. Okay. So here we can set the path. Here also you can set, it works. Better to set here. Now here what you have to do is you have to write. Next fourth step, type the following. Type the following. Type the following. Write this one. Set path equal to percentile path percentile double quotes dot semicolon. 1 minute. 1 minute wait. Now yesterday I was shown where is Java C. Where is Java? This PC, C drive, program files, Java, JDK. Say in my system JDK 17.0.1 is there. Now latest version 17.0.2 will be there. If you download, if you install, you'll get a 17.0.2 comes. Then that is your write. Suppose myself I am writing now 17.0.1. Now here bin. In this bin, here we have a Java C and Java. See, it is Java. It is Java C. For compilation, this is required. For execution, this is required. This is nothing but Java compiler. This is nothing but Java launcher. So it is compilation purpose, it is execution purpose. So Java C nothing but compiler. Java nothing but launcher. So for compilation, Java C required, execution Java required. These two available here. That is the reason this complete location we can copy here. Right click, copy. So you can paste here. This is path setting. But your doubt is what is this one? What is this one? You'll get a doubt. I'll explain. First write this one. This complete note down. C drive set path equal to percentile path percentile in double quotes dot semicolon. These all write it. Set space path equal to percentile path percentile in double quotes dot semicolon. C drive program file Java JDK 17. Now in my system 17.0.1 is there. In your system, if it is 17.0.2 is there, to write. Suppose already downloaded. Suppose 17 is there. 17 only write. Whatever is there in your system, that is right. In my system, 17.0.1 is there. That's what I'm writing that one. Okay. Now, from here to here, from here to here, location of Java software. Location of Java software. Okay. This is Java software. Location of Java software, Java software. Bin folder. It contains JDK tools. It contains location of Java software, Java software. It contains JDK tools. Over. Say Java C and Java. Those two are called JDK tools. But there are so many JDK tools that is present for Java. Just 3-4 tools we use. Further, we'll see in advanced also more. Now all JDK tools are the part of bin folder. That is the reason up to bin we need to set. So this bin folder which contains JDK tools, these are nothing but binary files. That's the name is bin. Bin nothing but binary. But you should write bin only. You should not write binary. That is just given short form. Bin. Bin, lib, they given. Lib means library. Bin means binary. Like that. So this bin folder contains JDK tools. So Java C and Java are called JDK tools. All JDK tools are the part of bin folder. All JDK tools are the part of bin folder. So up to bin. Now bin is available in Java software, but Java software by default installed in C drive program file Java folder. Suppose installation time, if you click next, last finish, your software also installed here only. But installation time, if you change to D drive, if you change to E drive, possible. If you change at the time D drive you are right. If you change without changing this one, as it is comes. Okay. While installing Java software, if you change the location of Java software, instead of C drive, if you write D drive, then you have to write D here. Wherever installed, that location required. In my system, JDK installed in this location. That's what this location I written. Okay. This JDK contains bin folder. This bin folder contains Java tools, JDK tools. Java C and Java available here. So what you have to do is you have to check where Java software installed. Okay. Without changing anything, if you click next button, same location will be there. While installing, if you change, location may be changed. That location you have to write here. And also you need to check whether 17.0.1 is there or 17.0.2 is there or 17 is there, you have to check. So I written here JDK iPhone 17.0.1. In your system, maybe JDK iPhone 17 only will be there. Then again, it will not work path. That's the reason you need to check this version also. Okay. This bin will be common. That is first version to up to here, bin only will be there. This is you need to check. This is you need to check. Now here, what is this one? See, it is called command. It is a command and it is used to set the path. It is a command and it is used to set the path. It is a command and it is used to set the path. This is, it is called append mode. Append mode. I'll explain. It is called append mode. See, in your system, not only Java software, many other softwares will be there. Other softwares also path settings will be there. Those path settings, this path appended. If you write like that. If you don't write that one, it works. Java software works, but other software may not work. It will override. So that is the reason always prefer percentile path percentile in double quotes dot semicolon. Here dot also, semicolon also, here percentile symbols also, double quotes also. If any one character is missed, again same error comes. But say I already settled path, they'll think, but you'll settle path. If small mistake also, that is mistake only. One character mistake also mistake only. Again same error comes. You downloaded, installed, path settled, everything settled, but still Java C not recognized. That meaning your path mistake. Downloaded, installed, but still not working. Still not working means your mistake. Okay. So percentile path percentile in double quotes dot semicolon. That is syntax you need to follow. Okay. Now, if you write like this, what will happen? This path will be appended to existed path. In your system, so many other softwares will be there. For those paths, this path appended. Then other software works, this software works. If you don't write this part, Java works, but other software may not work. That is the problem comes. That is the reason always you prefer that one. Now, suppose I'll show you. Suppose just you observe here PATH path. If I write PATH path, what will happen? Just you see, this is no need to write. No need to write. PATH path. If I enter, see how many lines of path is there? So you observe here already from here to here. Already path is there, you observe. Okay. Whatever I written just now, that is last line, you observe. See, C drive, program file, Java, JDK 17.0.1 bin. So my path, whatever I given now, that is appended to existed path. Here so many other software paths. Okay. So many other software path is there. There is a Oracle is there, Python is there, Windows is there, some other softwares are there. All paths are there. Okay. This path is appended at the end. If you write like this. And one more thing here, if I close this window, if I close that window, that path is vanished because that is temporarily stored in the RAM. That's what that path is called, temporary path. Okay. Suppose I'll open again, see, right click, run as administrator, click on yes button, see here cd/, if I write now set path equal to C drive, program files, Java, JDK 1. JDK 17. Okay, otherwise I'll copy. And so Java JDK -17.0.1 bin. Okay, and now if I write, now if I type path, what is there? Only Java. But where is remaining? Overridden. This is a problem comes. Okay. On that previous path, this path overridden. Then Java path is there, but all other paths are not there. Okay. Now, if I close this window, whatever I given temporarily, that is vanished. But whatever already permanent is there, that will be there. See. See, cd/path. See, It is there. Permanently, what are the paths are there? Actually, Java path also is there, you observe. This is permanently already settled. Java path also is there. Okay. Java path also already present. That is permanently given. That's what it is appearing. That is, if I remove, Java C will not work here. That path already present. Okay. Now, see, it is Oracle software path. It is Java path. Okay. It is Oracle related only drivers path. It is also related that one only. It is Windows path. See, here Python software path. Here PyCharm software path. So many softwares, other softwares. Paths like. Okay. So, these many lines of path is there. If you want to append percentile path percentile in double quotes dot semicolon, you have to write. If you want to override, no need to write. Okay. While writing temporary path, when we have to use temporary path, when we have to use permanent path. If it is only one time, two times required, go for temporary path. If you want to use every day, permanent path. Now this Java C, Java every day required. That's what permanent path is better. Okay. So permanent path already settled in my system. It is showing you, observe. Okay. How to set permanent path? Note on next. Permanent path setting. Permanent path setting. Permanent path setting. Permanent path setting. You observe. Note on permanent path setting. Permanent path setting. First of all, open File Explorer. First step, open File Explorer. See, this is File Explorer icon. Or you can type there, File Explorer. Here you can type File Explorer. See, you can type. Okay. Like this you can open. Otherwise, this icon. It is File Explorer. Okay. Here you can click on this one. Otherwise, you can type here File Explorer. Like this also you can click. Okay. Now, this is generally everyone knows File Explorer. Now, open File Explorer. Here, right click on this PC. Right click on this PC. Second step. Right click on this PC. Right click on this PC. Third one, click on properties. Click on properties. First step, open File Explorer. Second step, right click on this PC. Third step, click on properties. Fourth step, click on advanced system settings. I'll show you all. See, open File Explorer. Right click on this PC. Click on properties. Click on advanced system settings. Once you observe here, this is File Explorer icon. It is File Explorer. Here, this PC. Right click. Click on properties. Here, see advanced system settings. Advanced system settings. Then one dialog box appears. See, first these are the steps. Now, in a dialog box, you observe here tabs are there. Tabs, computer name, hardware, advanced system protection, remote. Okay. You have to click this one. Suppose maybe some by default it is open advanced. Maybe this is open. Last operation, whatever you did, that will be there. Suppose this is open, then here this button will not appear. So this button required actually. This button where it is in advanced tab. So click on advanced tab, click on environment variables button. Now write this one. Click on advanced tab. Next, click on environment variables button. Click on advanced tab, click on environment variables button. Click on advanced tab, click on environment variables button. Okay. Say first these 6 steps. Okay. Now say once again I'll open File Explorer. Okay, open File Explorer. Right click on this PC. Click on Properties. Here. Click on Advanced System Settings. Click on Advanced tab. Click on Environment Variables button. You will get one more dialog box. Okay. Here you observe user variables for NIT. System variables. Okay. Generally, suppose your laptop. This may be your name will be there here. User variables for your name. Whatever given while installing Windows operating system. Here our institute name Naresh IT given NIT. Okay. So here user variables for NIT. Here system variables. 2 appears. What's the difference is here username is NIT is there. Username. While login, see here. This is NIT username. Okay. Here username NIT. But this type of users, can we create one more? Yes or no? You can create a number of. Okay. So generally what we will do, suppose your laptop only, for example, your laptop, you'll create 2 users. One user for you, one user for your family members. Because your laptop may be used by your family members also. But they are not learning Java. Okay, you are learning Java. Your settings, they may change. That is the reason you will create 2 users. If you create 2 users, your user appears. Whichever user logged in, that username appears. So that username setting separate, second username setting separate. Like that, if you make it, your all settings will be protected. Okay. Otherwise, other people will use. They may change your settings. That is the reason. Generally, we'll create 2 users. One user for you, one user for other family members. Okay. Or in a lab also. One system may be used by many people. At that time, they can create their own users. Okay. So, here, in whichever user you log in, that username appears. Here, in my system, with NIT username logged in. So, user variables for NIT. Now, system variables. These variables for all users same. Like first user, second user, third user, n number of users. This will be same. Now, these settings only for this user. Whichever with user you logged in, that username appears. The settings only for that particular user. But these variables for all users common. Now, path if you settle here, in that user only works. If you set the path here, for all users works. That's the difference. But better to go for user variables only. Because in system variables, many path settings are there, you observe. Many path settings. Even Windows operating system path also will be there. By mistake, if any path is deleted here, next time Windows also may or may not open. That will happen. But here, if you delete all also, your Windows operating system works. Because Windows path will not be there. Windows path will be here. Okay. So Windows related paths, you observe. Windows, 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 see. Windows, Windows, Windows. So all Windows operating system paths comes under system variables. User variables, your whatever you install softwares, that software path setting you can write here. But here also you can write. Here also you can write. Here also you can write. What's the difference is user variables are specific to one particular user only. System variables are common to all users. Suppose this computer used by 5 members. Suppose assume 5 members. Suppose 5 different faculties we are using. Suppose then every faculty separate user can create. Then my settings with me only, like that, with my username only, like that. So you can protect your settings. Now user variables specific to user, system variables common to all users. That is there. I'll give that notes. Suppose user variables here path. If the path variable, if the under variables, if path already is there, then you have to click on edit button. You have to click on new button. Here, that is you have to paste. You have to click OK. Okay. Path variable not there. Path variable not there. You have to click on new button. Here, you have to type path. Here, you have to paste. Like this. These notes I'll give. First of all, here, what you written up to here, click on environment variables button. Okay. After this, 7th one. Under user variables, if the path variable exists, then click on edit button. Under user variables, if the path variable exists, then click on edit button. Under user variables, if the path variable exists, then click on edit button. Now path variable is there. Now that means you have to select, you have to click edit. You have to select also, that is 1 minute. Under user variables, if the path variable exists, then select the path variable and click on edit button. And click on edit button. Under user variables, if the path variable exists, then select the path variable and click on edit button. Okay. Now click on new button. Click on new button. Click on new button. And type the following. C drive, program files, Java, JDK -17.0.1, bin. Click on OK button. If the path variable does not exist, then click on new button. And type variable name path and variable value C drive, program files, Java, JDK 17.0.1, bin. Click on OK button. I'll show you once again also. I'll show you. First you write it. Once again also I'll show you. If the path variable does not exist, then click on new button and type variable name path and variable value. This one. After that, click on OK button. Is it over? I'll show you. If you are installing JDK 17, these are not required also. By default it works. By default it works. If not working, use this. Is it over? I'll show you just once again. See. Not over. See. Here, if you click on environment variables button, user variables, system variables appears. Under user variables, if path variable is there, select the variable, click on edit button, click on new button. Here you can type C drive, program files, okay, Java, JDK 17.0.1/bin. After that, click on OK button. Okay, here already settled. I'll click cancel button. Now the path variable not there. Then click on new button. Now variable name path, variable value again that one. C drive, program files, Java, JDK 17.0.1/bin semicolon. Here click on OK button. But path variable already present. If I click this one, what will happen? On this it will be overridden. That is the reason path variable is not there. You have to click new. The path variable is there. You have to click edit. Suppose by mistake if I click OK button now, the other paths are vanished. It will be overridden. Okay, that's what I'll click on cancel. Now, so once again see, it is permanent path. It is going to be stored in the hard disk. Even if you switch off your system also it will be there. Okay, so once again see, see, you have to open File Explorer. Okay, you have to open File Explorer. Suppose you are unable to find this icon, then here File Explorer, if you type, you'll get it. File Explorer. Okay, in this File Explorer, right click on this PC. Click on Properties. Here, click on Advanced System Settings. Here Advanced tab. Here Environment Variables. Under User Variables, path is there or not you have to see. It is there. Select. Click on Edit. Click on New. That is you can type. Otherwise you can paste. After this OK button. Suppose path variable not there. Click on edit. Type path. Here type that path bin. Click on OK. Now, but don't touch system variables. If you are familiar with operating system, whatever you want you can do. Suppose you are not familiar with Windows, then don't touch. If you are familiar, whatever you want you can do. Okay. If you are not familiar with Windows operating system, you better to go for user variables. Here by mistake while setting path, suppose like this you selected or something, by click on delete button suppose. If it is that is related to Windows, what will happen? Next time Windows may not work. That's what. Better to go for user variables. By mistake, if one path is deleted, if that path is related to operating system, then operating system will not work. That is the reason better to go for user variables. Okay. Now here what are the paths are permanently settled? No, that is only showing in the command prompt. You observe. Now see CMD command prompt app. Right click, run as administrator. Click on yes. Here cd/ here path path. It is showing no. These all present in that variable, environment variables. So these all path settings are present in environment variables, permanently settled. That information displayed here. If you set here any new path, that will be stored in a RAM only. This is temporarily. If you set any path here, if you set here, this is stored in a RAM. Once if this window is closed, that path is vanished. But whatever permanently settled, no, that will be there. Okay. This is path setting I explained. Still, while setting a path, if any problem comes, you can come and ask, I'll explain. Okay. Online students, you can mail to my mail ID screenshots. Even still you are facing problem with downloading, installing path settings. System administrator number I'll give, his timing I'll give. At the time you can contact him. Online student. Offline student, you can come and ask me. I'll explain. Online students, if any problem is there, you can mail to my mail ID your screenshots. While downloading and installing, if any problem is there, I'll give administrator number. You can contact him. He'll help you. Like that also. Okay. So further any technical doubt, you can mail to my mail ID. Okay. Every 3-4 days, I'll give a reply. But immediately don't expect reply. And it will take 3-4 days. Because morning to evening 5 batches I'm taking. I'll be busy in the classroom only. So every 3-4 days, I'll give a reply. Because hundreds of students are giving mails. Like morning to evening, many students are there. That's what. Every 3-4 days, I'll give a reply. This is my mail ID. Okay. Now, how to set temporary path, how to set permanent path, you have seen. Now here, suppose class is demo. Okay, class name demo. File name demo. Then how to compile, how to execute, you have seen. See how we compiled. Java C demo.java. After this, Java demo. Okay. So we compiled program like this. We executed program like this. Okay. We executed program like this. Whenever you compile here, demo.class file generated. That file only we are using here. Okay. Suppose class name test. Okay. File name sample.java. First of all, it is valid or not valid? Give me answer. Class name is test. File name is sample. Valid, no? You studied yesterday. In a one program, one public class only we can write. Any number of non-public classes you can write. Public class is there. File name, public class name must be same. Public class is not there. Any name you can write. According to declaration rules, it is valid. Okay. Same name also you can write. Different name also you can write. Valid. But in this situation, how to compile, how to execute, I'll show you. Java C sample.java. Okay. Now you observe here what is the file name? Demo.java. Here what I written? Demo.java. Here what is the file name? Sample.java. What I written? Sample.java. That is clear, no? Now, here what is generated? Demo.class. So, this is generated. Okay. Then what is generated here? Test.class generated. So, here what will be happen is, if we compile like that, test.class generated. Test.class. This is generated here. Okay. So this is generated here. If we compile sample.java, test.class generated. Then how to run this program? Give me answer. Java test or Java sample? Java test. Now here this demo I used here. This test we have to use here. Now here suppose what we will do? Java C sample.java. Java sample will write. Then what will happen? Error comes. That is the reason, without confusion, use like this. But both are valid. Okay. Otherwise you write this one. So file name, class name, different also we can write. It is valid. So most of the students, this question, they are giving answer, not valid, they are giving in interview. It is valid. So if you write file name, class name different, compilation time, execution time, you have to take care. But valid. It is valid. Suppose many classes are there, then how to do? I'll explain. Because in a one program, many classes also you can write. In that situation, how to do? I'll explain. Is it over? See, suppose if many are there, what will happen? See, suppose class A, okay, one more class B, one more class C. Suppose here main method is there. Here main method. Like this we have suppose. Now, file name d.java, valid or not valid? Valid or not? Valid. Because there is no public class. The public class is not there. Any name you can write. Okay, valid. Now give me answer. How to compile? How to compile? Java C, Java C, D dot Java. Okay. Java C D dot Java. If we compile, then what will be happen is A dot class, B dot class, C dot class. 3 files generated. 3 files. For every class, class file generated. Okay. You have to run Java C because main method present in C class. Okay. So A dot class generated, B dot class generated, C dot class generated. So it is valid. Suppose if you write Java A, it's error. If you write Java B, error. If you write Java D, also error. Okay. If you write Java A, then error comes because there is no main method. Java B, if you write, error comes because there is no main method. Java D, if you write, there is no D dot class. Okay. So whenever I compile the program, dot class file generated for every class. So here 3 classes are there. 3 dot class file generated. Then whichever class contains main method, that class we have to write. That notes I'll give. First of all, write this one. That notes I'll give. Just write this one. Is it over? So when I compile Java C d.java, 3 dot class file generated. A dot class, B dot class, C dot class. We have to run Java C because C class contains main method. Java A error because there is no main method. Java B error because there is no main method. Java D error because there is no D dot class. D dot class is not there. Okay. That notes I'll give. First, is it completed? Note on. The Java compiler generates dot class file for every class in a source file. The Java compiler generates dot class file for every class in a source file. The Java compiler generates dot class file for every class in a source file. Next point, a class that contains main method only can be used. A class that contains main method only can be used to execute the program. A class that contains main method only can be used to execute the program. Whichever class contains main method, that class only we can use to execute. Okay. Suppose in a one program, if I write 10 classes, how many dot class file generated? 10 generated. Okay. For every class, dot class file generated. Is it clear? So now you studied already type conversions, operations, operators. These all you studied, no? Those all you can write, you can execute, you can test. So what you have to do? See, you can open Notepad. You can write whatever I taught. This is common, present. This I'll explain later. Okay. Public, static, void, main. This is common. About this, you will understand very depth later. About this very depth, you'll understand later. Suppose integer a equal to 5, b equal to 3. Suppose integer c equal to a greater than b, question mark a colon b. What is this? What is this line? What is this? Conditional operator. Conditional operator. Okay, conditional operator. Is it unary operator or binary operator, ternary operator? Ternary operator. See, 1, 2, 3. 3 operands. Result assigned to C. Okay. Now 5 greater than 3. True. Then A will be stored in C. It is printed. So file, save. Here, wherever you want, you can save. This PC C drive. Now, again, I'm writing file name demo.java. Now, already is there. I'll replace. Now, open command prompt. Run as administrator. Yes. Here, cd / java c demo.java. Okay. Java demo. Like this. Okay. But every day present, it is common. It is required. Every program it is required. But Java people, they introduced one concept, J shell, Java shell. With that, no need to write this all. Directly only this code you can write. That is only testing purpose. Okay. So how to start J shell, how to use J shell, I'll give. Just note on next point. J shell. J shell. J shell stands for Java shell. J shell stands for Java shell. It is introduced in JDK 9 version. It is introduced in JDK 9 version. It is an interactive tool to run Java code snippets. See, J shell. What is J shell is? J shell nothing but Java shell. J shell stands for Java shell. It is introduced in JDK 9 version. So Java 9, it is came, Java 9. It is an interactive tool to run Java code snippets. So it is only for executing logical code snippets and for learning Java, but it is not suitable to develop application. I'll explain. It is also called as REPL, read, evaluate, print, loop. It is also called as REPL tool, read, evaluate, print, and loop. I'll explain why. And it is used to learn Java programming language and to test logical code snippets. It is also called as REPL tool, and it is used to learn Java programming language and to test logical code snippets. So if you want to write one small code snippet, class here, first you have to open Notepad, next you have to write class, next you have to write main method. In that code snippet you have to write. After that you have to open command prompt, you have to compile, you have to execute. These are not required. Directly you can write code snippet. Directly. First it will read that code snippet evaluated, that result printed. Again read. This will rotate. That's what we are calling loop. Read, evaluate, print, loop. First it will read the code snippet. That is executed. You will get output. Again it will read. Next continuation. So no need to open Notepad, no need to write class, no need to write main method, this all. But it is only learning purpose. Instead of writing again and again class, main, all those things, you can use this. Next. It is not suitable to develop applications and projects. It is not suitable to develop applications and projects. It is not suitable to develop applications and projects. It is only learning purpose suitable. Learning purpose okay. For testing logical code snippets, it's okay. But project development not possible. Application development not possible. Say. Next, write it. To start J shell. Type J shell at the command prompt. Example. J shell. To exit J shell, type exit at the command prompt. Example, exit. Oh, sorry. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. It is J shell prompt. At the J shell prompt. Right, this one. If you want to open, if you want to start J shell, you have to type J shell. If you want to exit, exit. But at J shell prompt, you have to write. Then again, command prompt comes. So if you type J shell prompt appears. If you type exit, command prompt appears again, back. Now I'll show you. Is it over? See here, J shell. If you type, shell will be started. Shell prompt comes, J shell prompt. See, welcome to J shell. Now here, suppose one small code snippet I want to execute. Byte A equal to 5. Okay. Byte B equal to 3. Byte C equal to A plus B. Already know it's an error. Why error? Byte plus byte result is integer. Integer cannot be converted to byte implicitly. You have to explicitly have to convert. Then what do you have to write? Byte C equal to, in the brackets, byte, again in the bracket, A plus B. Okay. Now printing also not required. You observe. So like this. Suppose you want to display welcome message. System.out.println welcome. Immediately output. Immediately output. So now what will happen? Whatever I taught, that is you can practice here. No? It is better. If you open Notepad, again Notepad you have to open, you have to write the program, you have to write the class, you have to write the main method, again Java C compilation, Java execution. These are not required. Practicing purpose, it is better. Okay. No need to write class. No need to write main method. No need to write Java C, Java. This shell you can utilize. But it is only for learning, not suitable to develop application. Okay. Because immediately output is there. See, byte A equal to 5, immediately that output. Byte B equal to 3, one more output. Immediately result. Okay. Practicing purpose, it is suitable. If you want to exit, sorry. Something, 1 minute. Exit is not working, 1 minute. Quit. Slash exit. So just here I given, for you I given, exit I given, no, just slash exit, write it. Slash exit. Slash exit you write. 1 minute, I'll check it. See, slash exit. Okay. Slash exit. It is showing goodbye. So slash exit. Okay. I given exit brackets again. No? Just write slash exit. That is strike out previously given, whatever I given. Slash exit at the shell prompt. So whatever I taught, you practice here with JShell. It is better. You can save your time. Okay. We'll see continuation tomorrow. Now you can ask your doubts. Now you can ask your doubts. 1 minute. I'll give a replay for all. Program you can write in Notepad also. You can compile like that also possible. You can execute at the command prompt also. This one, J shell also. You already using Java 16. No need to upgrade. You continue 16 only. While teaching 17, at the time you have to install, upgrade. Present you continue with 16 only. HTML, CSS, any batch, that is you check in website. Check in website. Updation, no need of upgrading. Compilation means dot class file generated. Execution means output comes. That is starting session I explained. Java 8 is long time support. That's what it is there still. Now present you practice J shell also. Later compulsory Notepad you have to write. Later I'll teach Eclipse also, Edit Plus also. Recorded sessions will not be provided. If any problem is there, you can mail to my mail ID. While downloading installation, if any problem is there, you can mail to my mail ID. Still, if you face a problem, I'll give system admin number. You can contact him. He will help you. Okay. We'll see continuation tomorrow.